every time that I do travel. Sharing with you my skincare bag and my makeup bag. So let's start with skincare first. So magsa-start, hindi ko alam. So random pick na lang. I didn't bring any daytime moisturizer, so let's go directly to sunscreen. This one is from La Roche-Posay. So I always do keep samples just in case that I do travel for just a short period of time at least, and I don't carry check-in baggage. At least I can still have my skincare in a small size. So yeah, sunscreen, La Roche-Posay, and then toner is from Nooks, sample size then. This one is really good because it has a rose smell and it's very gentle on your skin. So this is my toner, Nooks Rose, what's this one? Nooks Gentle Toning Lotion. And then for nighttime, this one, I transfer my Trilogy Nighttime Repair, I think, or Advanced Nighttime Repair. Yeah, this one is from Trilogy. I just transfer moisturizers or lotions in a pot. And then of course my Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. This one is also good because it has a lot of benefits. It can soothe sunburn, or if you have bites, you can use this one for chapped lips. And if you're doing your brows, so after brows you can use that one. If you're shaving your legs or your whatever, which part of your body, you can use this one after. So it's kind of like a multi-purpose all-around creams. The formula of this one is like the Vaseline. So yeah. And then of course my body sunscreen. This one is Neutrogena Beach and Sun Defense. And lotion, Avena lotion. I also transfer it so that it will not consume a lot of space in my bag. Yeah, this one is my favorite lotion, Aveeno Sheer Hydration Lotion. And then of course, I will not forget my off lotion. Every time I travel, I always bring off lotion because I had dengue before, and just to make sure that I will not have it again. And of course, my cleansing wipes, makeup cleansing wipes. It's actually my first time to try this brand, the Creme Shop. And if you watch my Insta story, you'll see how this one works, how this one performs. But I will do a separate review. Sorry. But I will do a separate review of this one wearing waterproof makeup. So that's it. That's all my skincare bag. All of those are in here. All the things that I need. And now we go to makeup bag. This one, I don't have much because I don't want to bring a lot of makeups, especially when I'm on holiday, because I don't want to wear makeup when I'm on holiday. I want my skin to breathe. So I just bring all the essentials, all the things that I need. I don't really bring backup makeup. So let's start. Brushes, of course, we need that. And the foundation that I bring this trip is the Maybelline Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. I just use this one at nighttime if we will have dinner. So it will be good on photo. And this one is easy to apply kasi I just use my finger and then spread it out just like that. So yeah. And for concealer, of course, Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And to set that one, Maybelline Master Fix setting powder. This one is nice as well. Bronzer, Chanel bronzer just in case, but I didn't use this one actually, to be honest. I didn't use bronzer. And then I have, of course, my NARS, what's this? Of course, my NARS cream blush and Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. So basically, these are just the makeup that I use every day, that I know that I will use talaga. And then Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, Benefit What's Up Cream Highlighter, and then just a single eyeshadow, this one from Boutique. So that's it. Yun na. That's it na. There you go.